Alright, today we are looking at linear regression practice problems. Now you can see for part 1, for each thing we are supposed to write the line of best fit, interpret the slope, and interpret the y-intercept. Now the thing that we're going to do today is, if I look at number 1, I have, here's my X column, here's my Y column. The table shows the enrollment of preschool from 1980 through 2000. And our question, of course, write a linear regression equation to model the data in the table. So, of course, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go to Stat, Count, and number 9. Alright. So what we want to do is we want to go to the list. So we go to Stat, we go to number 1 for Edit. Now for L1 we want to put in our X values. So this is our X value. And again, I'm going to start here. Instead of 1980, I'm just going to put 0. And then for 1985 I put 5. For 1990, I put 10. For 1995, I put 15. For 2000, I put 20. Again, this is because from 2000 to 1980 is a time period of 20 years. So let's go over to L2 and put in the y coordinates. I have 14, 20, 22, 28, and 37. So now that I have my data input into the table, I'm ready to calculate my line of best fit. So I will go up to the calculator and go to Stat, go to Calc, and I want to go to number 4, which is linear regression, number 4. And I need to put second L1, comma, second L2, comma, and then also put your y variable in the calculator. That way your equation will automatically pop up under y equals. So go to bars, go to y bars, go to number 1 for function, and go to number 1 for y1. And then when you hit enter, it calculates the line of best fit. And as you can see, it's y equals ax plus b. A is 1.08, b is 13.4. Okay, so I'm going to write my equation here, which is y equals, and y equals 1.08x plus 13.04. 1.08x plus, and again my y-intercept is 13.4. Now it also tells you that you are to interpret the slope and interpret the y-intercept. So when I do part B to interpret the slope, part B, the slope is 1.08. This is how fast the enrollment increases per year. Alright, and part C for the y-intercept. I don't know why it's doing this. For the y-intercept is 13.4, which is the initial amount of students that are enrolled in preschool in 1980. And again, this 13.4 is the predicted, but the 14 was the actual observed number. But according to our model, in the year 1980, we could expect 13.4. Now the next question is predict the enrollment in the year 2005. So in the year 2005, in the year 2005, x is going to equal 25. So I take my equation and I plug in. It's going to be 1.08 times 25, and then add 13.4. So in the year 2005, fit, and plug it into the equation of best fit, and in 2005, 40.4, which remember the 40.4 is what I got off of my calculator. So the 40.4, and that is the number of students are enrolled. Alright?